Marina Bay Sands Hotel in Singapore, and I'm in a Club King garden view room on the 46th floor. My room is located in tower number 2, and I have a funny room number 4666. Easy to remember, 666. Evil, maybe. Anyway, let's have a look. There is the magic. Look. Evil spirit, open the curtains for me. And the room is done, as you could see, in beige hues. Very earthy, very natural tones. I have a king-size bed, and to operate the electricity, you have to use your room key. You have your housekeeping buttons, some makeup room, do not disturb, and then these are the controls for the lights. Anyway, okay, well, I have a henna. I was in India yesterday. Not a big fan of tattoos, but henna is okay. Lots of mirrors that make this room appear even larger. Really nice big bathroom with a beautiful deep soaking tub and more mirrors. Good supply of towels. And the phone. Focus. And the phone inside. This shower is really spacious. It has a bench. All done up in marble. So the bathroom is really good size. Some amenities, whatever you need at the hotel. Vanity kit, a scale, and even if you overflow this bathroom, there is an outlet, water outlet, and we have another mirror out there. Swinging doors, the bathroom, and then in the closet we have the usual bathrobes, extra pillow, slippers, ironing board, shelving, laundry bags, and a safe, and a hair dryer. And this can be a connecting room. There's lots of electrical outlets, plenty of them, and batteries charging. Sun reading lights. Really good linens. And while I need to have an adapter in here, you could use those two outlets without a foreign adapter. I have to flip the switch here to work, for it to work. There's a makeup mirror. There's the book that inspired my visit in Singapore. Look, Highly recommend this book and the movie. And here we have glasses, tea, coffee, and tea and coffee cups. Here we have a tea maker, and here we have a coffee maker and a coffee accessories, complimentary water. This one I took from the lounge. And then the minibar. And keep in mind, if you remove any items of the minibar, even if you want to put them back, you will be charged $10 per item. So beware. And perhaps the best feature for me is this amazing view of the bay and the super trees of the gardens on the bay. I do prefer this view over the city view, although the people who work at the hotel, they do say that the city view is more preferred by most guests. But for me, this view and the ability to open my windows, my sliding doors, and create this extension of my room and to get the fresh air, that's more important. So basically how it works in here, the higher you go, the smaller your balcony becomes. So there is a bit of trade-off. You're gonna get a better view, but you're gonna get a smaller balcony. I did see a room today on the lower floor. I believe it was floor 15, and the balcony was quite large, and it did have some chairs and a table and I think a couple of loungers, but not in here because, well, maybe you can fit this little ottoman, but nothing more than that. We have the controls for the curtains. So somehow when you put your key card in the slot, they always magically open to welcome you. The control for the curtains, so you can do the share. See, I love hotels with those curtains controllers. I remember staying at the Wynn Hotel in Vegas, and I always play with that. It was beside my bed, so basically just reach when you woke up. And there is the main ones. There you go. Nice and cozy. So this is a club level room, and with the club level room you guarantee to have a high floor, and you also have access to the club 55 club lounge, at which you could have a breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening drinks. Drinks are between 5 and 7, so I think it's close to 6. So if I want to indulge myself, I need to go soon and check them out. And also you can have a breakfast at one of the 3 restaurants listed, and I believe it is at the Rise, which is in the lobby at Tower 1, at Riff, in the lobby Tower 2, and also at Spago, which is on top by the infinity pool, level 57. And then you can have a breakfast also at the club lounge. Here we have dining. I'm not gonna kid you that is a cheap hotel, because it's not. Continental breakfast costs $35, which is equal to about 35 Canadian dollars. American breakfast is 46, and so on and so forth. Don't worry about the money, basically. The Wi-Fi is included, and if you arrive early, you can check in early, and they will issue a key so you can access the pool and other services. There is a guide here with various discounts at the mall and things like that. The room is really spacious, as you can tell. nice, sleek, clean look. And I have a little elephant here. So cute. Thank you for your attention, and if you're planning a trip to Singapore, I would highly recommend that you visit and stay at the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. One of those most marvelous hotels ever built. Maybe even the most marvelous. Thanks.